welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting in a ponytail, a claw clip ponytail. The colour will be a little bit off because this is pretty dark, because I think it's because I put it over purple. I put dark brown over purple, so yeah, but with a few washes it should be fine. Yeah, anyway, this was longer. I think this was like 24-inch, but I cut it down because I didn't want it to be too long. And then I've got can't get it out of the bag. And I've got a curly one weft clipping. Yeah, so it's like 5 clips and it's one weft, because I don't like all of the other ones. Like, I can't have loads on my head because it just hurts. And yeah, so I'm going to try this, but I think this is going to be too long, so I'm probably going to have to cut it down quite a lot, and just probably like build it up slowly, like probably about there. Obviously I'm gonna have to curl my own hair, and then yeah, so these were only £8.99 from Amazon, and this is the only length they had in this colour, so I got them. But I just feel like if I keep them very long, you'll be able to tell, as my hair isn't like that long yet. Like, it has grown quite a lot, but I'll insert a picture. From 5 months ago, it was like up here, so I cut it. Well, I went to the hairdressers and it was like up here, like chin length, and now it's here, you know, so it's growing quite fast. And that was 5 months ago that I got it cut. But obviously with the length that it is at, having long extensions, probably won't, like, yeah, you get what I'm saying. I can't really think today, so yeah. Right, I'm gonna put my hair up. I'm gonna put this one in first, the ponytail. So I'll be back once I've had, I can't speak. Once I've put my hair up. Okay, so I've got my hair up, and then all you do is literally just open up the clip and then put it on to your ponytail like that. And then you have a long ponytail. To be honest, it does actually match pretty well. Oh, I need to sneeze. But you do get this problem here. So I'm going to show you how I do that. But if it is longer, then you probably could just wrap it round the clip and then put like a grip in it, well, I'm from the UK, so I say hair grip, but I think people from like America say bobby pin. So you can either put like normal clips in or the thinner ones, which I do have, but I don't know where they are. So, but yeah, my hair's not long enough to do that anyway, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to wrap it round like that, and then put the clip onto that, and then obviously then I've got the sticky up bits, but then obviously just put the clip or grip or bobby pin or whatever you want to call it in your hair, and then place that in there, and then there you go. And obviously if you've got any fallout there, put another clip there, and then there you go. Much better. So that's the, I'll show you from the back.
There's still some hair sticking out, but you get the gist.
Ponytail. So I'm going to show you the one weft clip-ins now. Okay, so you're meant to section your hair, I'd say from about your eyebrow here. I'm never great at sectioning, but there you go. I'm just gonna put that there, and then I need to get the extension out of the thing, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's got 5 clips, so I'm gonna just put the, so obviously I'm gonna unclip them and then put the middle one in first, right in the center of my head, and then work my way around. Okay, so they didn't really work. Like, I wouldn't, like, God. Yeah, if you have hair that's this length, I wouldn't recommend getting a one weft clip-in extension because it just doesn't work. Unless you're a genius, but I'm not, so there you have it. But I definitely recommend the the ponytail. You can never go wrong with the ponytail, no matter how short your hair is. Well, maybe if it's really short, but this length is fine. So yeah, I tried to curl it and it just didn't work, so they're going back. But my trusty old ponytail wins. So that's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, bamboos.